Where are you going?
Leaving you for food.
For food?
Yeah.
I feel much better. We had to come back to the room because I had almost heat exhaustion. I thought I was going to faint. Seriously, the heat here is just incredible. Came back, had a shower. Oh, it's so humid. Holy shit.
You're heading back again.
Fucking hell, sorry, it is so humid out here. It's really got to me today. I feel really washed out. So I met up with Lionel in my previous video. So now it's the evening, it's starting to get dark. Gina and I are about to go to Hawker Chan. Now Hawker Chan is a restaurant that is, I think, the cheapest Michelin star restaurant in the world. And they're in Singapore, around the corner from where we're staying. So that is very cool. And the main reason why we're going to go there is because they're opening a store in Melbourne. So we want to try the real one here first and then go back home in Melbourne and see what it tastes like and see if there's a difference. So why not? Then after that, what are we doing?
We go to the, is that the garden tree? Tree garden?
Yeah, the gardens by the bay, the tree garden thing. We're going to check that out at night time because it's a lot better than during the day. Then hopefully go to the rooftop of the Marina Bay Sands, have a look at the bar up there.
And then we eat again.
And then we're going to get some chili crab. So, see how we go with the heat. It's really knocking me about. It's like, got to keep up my fluids big time.
Got ready for the night in. She's heading for
Transformers. Lots of people. Gina was wondering where everybody was. They're all eating. So we're in Chinatown, in Singapore, as you can tell. This guy's having a sleep. And yeah, we'll keep going. If anyone likes beef jerky, this is really famous place that does it. Traditional recipe since 1969. Beef jerky, but like Chinese style. I don't think so. We've decided to get, you can get a whole different combinations here. So you can get half chicken, quarter chicken, but we want it to come with the rice and the noodles. So I'm going to get the one with soy sauce chicken rice, which is $3.80 Singaporean dollars. And then the other one is with noodles. Gina's going to get that one, that's $4.80. Crazy prices. Now that Gina's in my vlogs, you don't have to look at my ugly face all the time eating. You can look at hers. So this is soy sauce chicken, and it's really famous. We've got the noodles and we've got the one with the rice. Same recipe, and as you can see, this place is packed. soft, not overpowered in flavour. Oh, so good. Really delicate flavour. That was amazing, wasn't it? Oh, so good. Hoka-chan, you are fantastic. Now let's see how good it will be in Melbourne. I somehow don't think it will be as good because the chicken will be different, you know. The chickens they get from here are from here, you know, different climate. The way they farm it, you know, the way, I think it will be different, but I think it'll still be very good. So very interested to see how good Hoka-chan will be in Melbourne. Yes, the price here, $3.80. I doubt it'll be $3.80 back home. I'm thinking about $12 or $13, but that's still pretty reasonable for back home.